Sunderland spirals, the A19 south, turning right, third exit on the A1231 west at Hylton Grange Interchange. We're going to leave the highway at the next exit, following the signs for Sunderland Gateshead A1231. It's about half a mile away.
Shift the stick, let the engine crash. 6 ways to live, 6 ways to fly. Pulsing hard, we're breaking through. 6, 6 for you.
Once we've left the highway, we're going to approach the roundabout in either lane, turning right, third exit.
Neon lights in a Tokyo rain, Roku burning through the vein. French curves on a mountain pass, 6 reflecting in the glass. Sex on the autobahn, no ceiling. German steel that rhythmic feeling.
Approaching the roundabout, you can see by the road markings that in the left lane we can turn left or go straight ahead. Given the choice, left is best. It says Sunderland, but we can go straight ahead. This will end us up in the middle lane as we approach the roundabout. We're turning right, third exit, heading towards Gateshead A1231. Approaching the junction, we're heading towards the middle lane, not the left lane. You can do it in the right hand lane, it's just a bit harder. Middle lane, turning right, third exit. The Hylton Grange Interchange is a very busy junction, so be aware of traffic on both your left and your right hand sides.
The countdown's done, the road is fixed, everything ends on the number 6. White lines cutting through the dark, ignition glowing, catch the spark. The cylinder count, the rhythm we mix, gearing up to the power of 6. Feel the says in the desert heat, Spanish dust beneath our feet. Shift the stick, let the engine cry. 6 ways to live, 6 ways to fly. Pulsing hard, we're breaking through. 6 for you.
Making progress forward, we're aiming for the middle lane. Be aware of the cars on the right hand side, occasionally they try and cut in front of you. The middle lane, not the left hand lane. As we go around the corner, we're spiralling into the left hand lane. Indicate left at this point. We leave at the next exit. Leaving the junction, you notice the far left lane is traffic which is going to feed onto the A1231. Take your centre, right blind spot, right mirror, move across if it's safe to do so. If it wasn't safe to do so, it may have been appropriate to hold back to allow the large vehicle to emerge if there wasn't enough space for you to get in front of him. We're going to leave the highway at the Nissan interchange, turning right, third exit towards Barmston Mere and Nissan.
The countdown's done, the road is fixed, everything ends on the number 6. White lines cutting through the dark, ignition glowing, catch the spark. The cylinder count, the rhythm we mix, gearing up to the power of 6. Feel the
There are no countdown markers for the next exit. We're coming off left, and at the roundabout in front we're going to turn right. So as we leave, position yourself in the right hand lane. Indicating right, we're going to turn right at the roundabout at the third exit.
Neon lights in the Tokyo rain, Roku burning through the vein, French curves on the mountain past 6, reflecting in the glass, sex on the autobahn, no ceiling, German steel, that rhythmic feeling, saying the Roman night, chasing down the morning light, altar turning the wheel, sash parlay, grinding the steel, shish into the sand, child, cross the land, live fast and free, drug, the energy.
Left, indicate left, and leave at the next exit, making progress up Cherry Blossom Way. We're proceeding forward, but you may be asked to turn right at the next junction, but you'll be given instruction in good enough time.
Pulsing hard, we're breaking through. 686 for you. 686 for you. Sitter, I'm it. The countdown's done, the road is fixed. Everything ends on the number 6.